King Green and Urijah Faber name UFC star who can beat Khamzat Chimaev. Urijah Faber and King Green were the latest guests on the Jackson podcast, and the pair had an interesting take on who could beat Khamzat Chimaev. Boers is undefeated in his MMA career and holds the middleweight title. Chimaev has dominated several of his rivals, and Faber was asked if anyone can deal with the champion's wrestling. The California kid lauded Chimaev's mentality, claiming that it was the key to Boers' domination. Get the latest updates on One Championship rankings at Sportskeeda and more. However, King Green named Anthony Hernandez as the UFC star who has the tools to beat Chimaev. Faber agreed with that sentiment by adding, "The California kid highlighted the team that Hernandez was working with and believed Fluffy could beat Chimaev." Check out King Green and Urijah Faber discussing Anthony Hernandez below. Anthony Hernandez has been on quite a run in the UFC with 8 straight wins currently. The American star, however, faces one of his toughest tests in his next fight. Fluffy faces former middleweight champion Sean Strickland at UFC Fight Night 267 in February. A win could put Hernandez in line for a title shot, but it is to be seen what happens with Khamzat Chimaev next. Boers has repeatedly called out Alex Pereira in the past few months and is willing to move to light heavyweight to battle the champion. Chimaev is also keen on becoming a 2-division champion, and beating Pereira would achieve that goal. MMA versus boxing. The ultimate showdown. Quick links.